reversal today. We got big time warning signs last week. Last Thursday, who knows? There's a bunch of news articles you could put, kind of place this news on. You could say it's the reemergence of COVID, the second wave, whatever you call it. We were almost down 7% last Thursday. It was a top 25 down day in the S&P's history. And then today we open up down and we see the cyclical stocks. So we saw these names bounce towards the end of the week. The Boeings, the Cities, all the financial names and all things like that. So when those names started to come in, that's what really caused this sell-off, is that they made such a big bounce, and then they had to come in with their natural price action. They dragged the market lower. So today it was, this 300 area. Is this going to be new support, or are we just going to flush back down through those lows? And we held that very well, and it ended up being a great buying opportunity for a bunch of us today. So, now we're sitting on, it seems like good stock. It looks like we go higher from here after that pivot we got today. What are you looking at?
So I'll touch upon a couple of the sector rotation things that we got stopped out of last week. So if you want to pull up first VCR.
Yay.
All right. So the last few weeks we've been talking a lot, about rebalancing, where for our members we haven't been looking to sell into the breakouts. We've been just continuing to move up our stops. And last week, given the action that we had, we got extremely lucky with the stops that we had in place for three major sectors. First was this VCR. As it got back to the retest of 205, we upped our stop. We got stopped out of some and took some gains in 205. Shaky, if you want to pull up VGT, that's the next one. Yeah. This was in tech. Again, same story. When we run up to that retest, that prior high, most think that we're going to break through it and just continue higher. But more often than not, it tends to get met with resistance. And maybe you get a day where it pushes through, like you can see here in VGT, it pushed through for one day, and then that trend started to change. So same as with VCR, we kept upping our stop in VGT, and our stop was at 270. So on Friday, when the market did start to gap down, we were able to take some off from the monster run that it had. And then lastly, similar story, this was this VHT, where instead of selling into that 199, 200 area, because if it did want to break out, we wanted to be in for that move. But if it wanted to turn, we wanted to get out and lock some in. So we also got some VHT down through 192. So those were three sectors that we took some profits in. And then if we're looking to take those funds and put them back to work, we can look at something like VFH financials up through 60.
Okay, yeah.
So that's just a little bit of rotation that we've been doing this last week.